Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the next lesson and function. So before we proceed, as you can see in page 76, okay, the QRS is 9.5 according to this textbook. So we going to use 10% as in the previous lesson. Okay, meaning that there will be a difference between the textbook and what I demonstrate to you. Okay, so now we want to put another condition. Okay, the condition is we only invest if if the return on asset is equal or the same with return on industrial average 9%, and the um, additional condition is we accept if the return on equity is 14%. So what we should do is we need to include the return on equity decision. Okay, so we click column D. Okay, we click column D and then we insert one more column. Okay, and we clear. Oh, sorry. Before that, it's better for you to create another sheet. Okay, so we duplicate this sheet. Okay, right click, move or copy, and we create a copy. Alright, so we have a new copy. So this sheet 1 we name it as if, and this sheet 2 we name it as and. Okay, so make sure you in and. So let's continue. We insert a column here. Alright, so this will be return on equity. Alright, and also we need to include one more condition here, yeah, return on equity, and this is 14%. Alright, so as you can see in next page 77 and so on, you can use the automatic features or the what we call that. You can choose the function that provided by the Excel, but okay, you can do it on your own, but I want to guide you. Okay, I want to guide you on how to understand the formula. Okay, why? Because during test and final exam you need to write down this formula. Okay, so we clear this thing. Okay, so the condition is, the decision is, we invest if, okay, return on asset is bigger than 9, same or bigger than 9, same or greater than 9, and the return on equity, okay, we need to put a percentage. Yeah, okay, return on equity is 14.1, 13.2, 14.4, 12.9, and 15. Okay, so we move the decimal value here. Alright. Okay, so the decision is, okay, we inspect visually. Okay, more than 9 is this two, but more than 14 is more or equal to 14 is this. So meaning this will be yes, this will be no, because according to and function, all must fulfill, okay, the condition. Okay, so you can have a look into the the definition in my blog. Okay, so the first one, this is important, equal if. Okay, equal if. So this thing is and. So and another open bracket. Okay, so the decision is, first one is C3. This one must be greater or equal to 9. Alright? So what you should do next? Okay, it should be, okay, next condition is this thing. Oh, sorry, it should be comma. Okay, it should be comma. Alright, this thing, okay, return on equity for salam tag should be greater or equal to industry average 14%. So next is comma. Alright, that is comma. Okay, is it correct? No, because this is the end of the instruction. Then comma. So the decision is, okay, inverted yes, comma, inverted no, comma. Okay, inverted yes, comma, inverted, okay, it's not comma, it's a closing bracket. Alright, I repeat. So C3 is greater or equal to industrial average, return on asset, and return on equity for Salam must be greater than 14. Okay, so now you press yes. Okay, so what happens if you drag? Okay, it's not correct. Why? Okay, you need to include the absolute because we want to maintain it here. Okay, okay, so where is C11? C11 here and C12. Okay, so you need to include the absolute. Okay, include the absolute before C, after C. Before C, after C. Right? So press enter. Okay, so the decision will be as our visual inspection. Alright, I need to unclear this folder first and then include the bigger outside folder. So it's according to what we discussed earlier. Alright, thank you.